Hello everyone, today we will see the CBSE Board 2026 class 10th math paper. So first of all we will see the MCQ part. So first question was probability of getting an irrational number. So there was a number given root 3, root 4, 3 root 9, 8 root 8, root 5, 0 or 4. We have to find the probability of irrational numbers. So how many irrational number is here? 1. This is not because it 2 will come here also, it's not irrational. Then this and this. So how many is there? 3. Total number is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will be the answer? 3 by 7. Option C. Question 2. Number of zeros of polynomial px is equal to k. There was a graph. On the basis of graph that was given, so px is equal to k, where the graph was horizontal. Okay, so horizontal line not touching the x-axis, so number of zeros will be 0. So option A. Next question, distance between point, there was a 2 point, -1, 2 root 2 and 2 root 2. So distance formula we will apply and we will solve. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what is x2 here? 2. x1 is what? -1. So 2 minus -1 means 2 plus 1 whole square. And we'll do this also, root 2 minus 2 root 2 whole square. So what we will get here? You can see 9 plus 2 minus 8 plus -8. Okay. So final we will get root 11. So option B is the correct answer. So question number 4th. There was a toy given, toy diagram. So based on that the question was, height of the toy we need to find. Radius was given 6 centimeters. Slant height of cone 10 centimeters. So height of the cone will be h is equal to 10 square minus x square root 64. So 8 centimeter. Total height means height of cone plus radius of hemisphere. So 8 plus 6 14 centimeters. So option C. Next, 5th question, sin theta is equal to 1 by 7, tan theta we need to find. So cos theta formula we will apply, 1 minus sin square theta root under. So 1 minus 1 by 49, we have to square that and we will get 48 by 49. Then we will solve, means we will get 4 root 3 by 7. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So 1 by 7 divided by 4 root 3 by 7. So we will solve, what we will get? 1 by 4 root 3. So answer is 1 by 4 root 3, that is option A. Next, the 6th question was, there was a number given and we have to find which number is this. So this is composite number. Question number 7, 2kx squared minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. For real and equal root, we have to find the discriminant. So here b square minus 4ac will be 0 for equal and real root. So we will put the value. B value is 6, 4 into A value is 2, 2k and C value is 3. So we will put, means we will get k is equal to 3 by 2. So option number A. Question number 8. HCF was given, that is 850 into 325, that was 25. LCM we need to find. So we know the formula, HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So HCF is given 25, LCM we don't know. So by this formula we can apply and we can get 11050. So option number B. Question number 9. An arc of length 11 centimeter subtend an angle 105 degree at the center. So what is the radius of circle? So theta 105 given, we have to convert into the radian. So we'll get 7 pi by 12. L is equal to r theta formula will apply and we will get the r value 6 centimeter, that is in option C. Now question. This is based on the BPT theorem. So AQ by AC is equal to AP by AB. There are some diagram like this. was given. So it's AP by AB is given. AP is 3 and full AB is given how much? 7. So we need to find AQ and QC. Okay. So AQ by AC, we know the formula. AQ by AC divided by is equal to AP by AB. So by that we will get AQ or QC for ratio 3:4. So answer is 3:4, option D. Question number 11. When two hemispheres are joined at their flat faces, they form a sphere. So this diagram was there and we need to find the total surface area for this diagram. So this is a two hemisphere. When we will join this, we will get a sphere. So formula will be 4 pi r square. That is option A. Question number 12. This type of diagram was given where we need to find the QP. So PT we know that is a tangent, O is the center and radius is given 5 centimeter OT, and even OQ will be also 5 centimeter. So we need to find out PT square. So we can see here line segment OP. So this is the line segment OP. So OP means OQ plus QP, OQ plus PQ. So 5 plus X. By Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to OT square plus PT square. OP means 5 plus X ka whole square. OT is 5 square because it's a radii plus PT square. So by that we will get X square plus 10X, option C. Now question number 13. That based on the probability, so number of diamond cards is 13 and number of non-diamond cards is 52 minus 13 means 39. So probability that the card is not a diamond means favorable outcome by total outcome. So what is the favorable outcome? 39. Total outcome is 52. So 3/4, option D. Next 14 question. Using the step deviation method, the formula for mean is x bar is equal to A plus H U bar. So U bar we need to find. So x bar given, A also given, H also given. So we'll put the value and we will get. See, we can get this. So U is equal to 2.9, option C. Now question number 15. PQ and P are the tangent. Center is O. ORQ is given how much? 25 degree. So this is given 25 degree. P angle PQR. We need to find angle PQR. This angle we have to find. So ORQ. This angle 25 and even this also will be 25 because both are radii are same, means OR is equal to OQ. Next PRQ. We how to get PQR? So 90 degree minus 25 because full is 90 degree and this much is 25. So 90 minus 25 means 65 degree. So that is in option A. Question number 16. 2 tan 45 degree into sin square 60 minus cos 90 degree. We have to solve. So for that we should know the value. So sin 60 we know √3/2, cos 90 we know 0, tan 40 1. So we will put the value, we will get 3/2 which is in option B. Now question number 17, that is based on the AP. So SN given 50 √2, A √2 and last term is given 19 √2. So formula we will apply Sn is equal to n/2 A plus L, means first term plus last term. We will put the value, we will get n is equal to 5. So that is in option B. Question number 18, that is again for based on the AP. So here we have to see A is equal to minus 3/2, D is equal to yes. So D is equal to A2 minus A1 we will do, means we will get 3. So formula we will apply AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So minus 3/2 plus N minus 1 into 3. We will solve. What we will get? 6N minus 9/2. So 6N/2 minus 9/2. So 6N/2 means 3N. 9/2 we will keep it alone. So we will get this. which is in option B. Last two questions, that is based on assertion and region. 19. Assertion given 4 to power n cannot end with the digit 0. Yes, correct. Prime factorization of 4 to power n is a unique. That also correct by the theorem, arithmetic progression theorem. So both are correct, but both are not related to each other. So option B. In question 20, the probability of an event cannot be 1 by 0.9. Yes, because it is greater than 1 and it can't be. So that is correct. And region is given 0 is less, means P. This one, event is greater than 0 and less than 1 for an event E. So both are relating to each other. So option A. So this is the solution of only MCQ of class 10 CBSE. Hope you like this video. Thank you.